Hi, I'm Ella Rose Cherry. I use she, her pronouns, and I am a book writer, lyricist, and playwright.
Hi, I'm Brandon James Gwynn. I use he, they pronouns, and I am a musical theater writer working with the students at Millikin University. Some, and I'm gonna say tentative details about the musical that Ella and I are currently writing. Well, I guess the title at the moment is The Spell of Red River. It is an intergenerational, dare I say, witch story? It takes place in a fictional southern town that is not unlike the town where I grew up outside of Nashville, Tennessee.
I'll say as the lyricist and librettist, I don't hear the music in my head the way that Brandon does. And so when I hear it on Brandon's voice, I get kind of an idea of it. But when we write a group number, to hear that on 10 voices is incredibly unique and usually something that happens much later in the process. So that's been really exciting to be with these folks this week.
BrandonandElla.com. You can check out our album on Spotify. It's called Place and Time.